Okay, so now we're going to actually drive this car. I'm gonna try to hold my phone showing the instruments. So after all the repairs, and this is my fuel distributor. So first of all, acceleration, very nice. Okay, so there are a couple of issues. There is something going on with the rear differential, these engine mounts, obviously. Rear differential mounts, I would rather say. Maybe the mounts for the rear differential, or the let me buckle up, or maybe the actual flex discs. But again, this was not my agenda. I'm just gonna drive it as a test drive real quick. I want to try to hold the phone something like this. Wow, transmission shifted really nice to the next gear. It's very nice. There is a little bit of noises from rear suspension. Okay, let me put my camera down right now because I'm going onto the main avenue. Wow, this thing feels so good. It reminds me of my first 126. Oh, this is like back in the days. This is so nice. I love it. Wow, woo! It even picks up nice. This is nice. Wow, I'm so excited. Actually, I haven't been so excited in a long time because so many different cars and they're all like, you know, but this is like a blast from the past and it drives so nice. I mean, there's supposed to be obviously issues to be taken care of with rear suspension because it is banging. Okay, so let's make another video going back home. Just went to the store, start the car up, start it up, and let me buckle up. First video actually didn't work out. I don't know what happened with it, but the end of the video seems like it just froze. So let me just buckle up. All right, so here it is. All buckled up, and let's go back home. It does feel better obviously versus my 420 SEL that I had as my first Mercedes car. That was a long time ago, and now this is 560. I wanted 420 because I didn't want it to deal with the hydraulic suspension, but at this point .560 is the way to go, I see. So anyway, yeah, this is 140. I mean this is 126. 126 is not like 140. 140 is 140, 126 is 126, 220 is 220, 221 is 221. They're all different cars, but this feels really, really nice actually. Like I said, engine mounts, little shock absorbers to be done. That would be nice. shift was nice. Yeah, we have some issues with rear struts or something in the back, but yeah, definitely something in the rear suspension. But other than that, this thing floats, man. This thing is nice. Yeah, 126, that's different car. This, you have to understand, once you go into 126, like from time to time I get into these, but it's just that it's nice. It's like, it's something else. And I actually want to have well, it is what it is. Let's just park this car, and the blinker shutdown does not work, so that is something else that is there. I also have a problem with interior lights. See, interior light is lit dimly when doors are closed, so there's something to do with the, you know, inside here. I also hear some strange sounds from behind me. Either those are speakers or there is a vacuum leak. I cannot distinguish it, but again, my agenda was my agenda. I did what I had to do, but these are little things that I see, and I was not asked to do all the small little details, so I'm just you know, I just got the engine to go. What small other details could be also taken care of, but again, we'll see. Alright, so I have to park this car in the driveway. It's narrow, so I have to shut this video down, and this is basically gonna be all. And that's it for me. Thank you for watching.